Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the new project pan for this year, which will be 23 and 23. I am super excited, to be honest, and if you want to see what products I selected for this year as project pan, then keep on watching. Also, if you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I absolutely love colorful, fun makeup as well as project pans. So if you want to see more of that in your timeline, then subscribe to this channel. I upload 3 times a week. I was part of 22 and 22 and 21 and 21, and of course we are continuing with 23 and 23. Just so you know, I will update you every month how I was doing, how many times I used the products specifically that I selected, if I used them at all, if they are finished, if they are not, and everything. So yeah, I am excited about this. I did select 22 items, and if you say, wait, we are on 23 and 23, yes we are, but like history showed me, listen, I did this again 2 years in a row. This is the 3rd year, and normally it is like I do have a few of the products that are just like almost empty. So I'm quite I'm quite sure they will be like decluttered, emptied, finished, however you call it, quite like fast. So of course I will have 23 products at the end of the year, probably around 30. I think the last one you saw last week, the last update for 22 and 22, I did finished 19 products, but I also had like around 10 or 12 products still in the making, just so you know. So yes, this is just, you know, about how I want to start. This is the first video for this series, so if you ever wondering, I will also have a playlist of every single episode, and yeah, I am excited. I hope you are as well. Let's start maybe with, I have a list. Again, I do have 22 products because I'm pretty sure I will use up more. This time I'm a little bit more confident in my doing, because a lot of products are like empty, almost empty, you know what I mean? So yeah, I will start. Let's do the Glam Shop brow powder. You did see that in 22 and 22 I hit pan on it, and yeah, I will definitely continue using this and using it up probably. So yeah, this one is the first product. Then we do also have 2 other brow products. One is the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in the shade Ashbrown. You definitely can't tell that I use this at all, because listen, you can't see it anywhere. This is still working, but it is getting lower. So I definitely want to use this one up so that I can purchase a new one and put this in 23 and 23 as well. So this is one of the brow products. And then the other one is one I recently opened, and this is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. This one is in the shade, let me see, Blondie Brows, because listen, I'm blonde. No, not. But I forgot why I bought this in the lighter shade, because this is the lighter shade. There is a deeper shade as well. Again, you can't see how full it is. This one is pretty new, because again, I opened it pretty new, but I want to use it and I will use it. So let's also bring that in. Another product I will bring in is an eyeshadow primer. And again, you can't tell if this is going down or not, but this is the Endless Stay Eye Primer from Manhattan. I do like it a lot. It is in the shade Universal. There is just this shade, listen. There's just this shade. And yeah, this is indeed, or has in a doe foot applicator. It doesn't have a color. You can definitely tell a little bit, but if you shear it out, this is clear. I do enjoy this quite a bit, and I wanted to use it up. So, you know, we are in this situation here. And another product that is also in my tier, listen, in my tier here, is indeed my concealer, which will be, again, the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. This is in the shade Fair. And I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, I do have this much left. So I will make a like a streak or something like this. I will do a line so I can tell how much I used it in January. And yeah, this is my concealer of choice for 23 and 23. Okay, let's talk about primers and foundation again. You did see it in 2022. In 2022, this is my Milk Hydrogrip primer. It is here. I will definitely do a line or something that we can like compare it to the next month. But yeah, I do like this one. It is my favorite primer. I definitely want to use it up. I used, I don't know, 55-60% of it in 22, so I'm hoping that I can finish this up in 23. I also want to use my Milk Hydrogrip. This is the Grip Set and Refresh Spray, and this is a like a two-phase product, and then two-phase, and then you just like mix it. I did mix it, so I was using it today, so yes. But again, I will do a line for January and so on, but again that we compare it then for February, and then or end of January, to be honest. And then we do have also my trusty Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. This is in the shade 1 Neutral. You can tell it's not much left, and I'm hoping to finish this in January so I can bring in another foundation. Then we are on 23 products, you know what I mean? So yes, but this one is also my foundation of choice. I do absolutely love this foundation, and that is why it is here. Again, I do love all of these products, and that's why they're in this like project pan, because if I do like them, I am more keen to use them and use them up. So yeah, this one is again my foundation of choice. And then we also have two powders this time. Yeah, two powders, you heard me right. One of them is the Fit Me pressed powder from Maybelline, and listen, it is a little bit crumbly. Yeah, but this is the Stayed. Again, there are some crumbles. We will not talk about this. I will just put them back in a sec. But this is my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is the current state of it. I do like it a lot, and I hope that when I finish this I can use other ones, because I do have a few powders, and yeah, you don't need like 15, you know what I mean? So let's close that. So, and then put it back so every powder is safe. And then, because I was like, yeah, well, I don't want to use another pressed powder, but I do want to add another powder, and so I will add the Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder in the shade Fair. It's 05. You can definitely tell it's around like 50% gone. I'm pretty sure this one will be hard to tell, but I mean, if I use it, you know, it's getting lower. So this one is my powder of choice. Let's come to other products, I will say, for bronzing, blushing, and highlighter. And I do have six. And the reason I do have 6 is normally I'm doing my makeup in the morning for my job, and so that is one set of products. And then I do my like face makeup like this one for YouTube, so this is another set of products. And I think you will definitely recognize these products from 22 and 22. I'm not giving up on them because I do like them and I do want to finish them. And first of all is the Clean ID Catrice bronzer. This one is like, look at this. Listen, it's just a little bit. I think I can use this up. At least I'm trying here. Yeah, this is the bronzer for my day-to-day wear. And then the blush for my daily use is my MAC Glow Play Blush in the shade Blush Please. Again, I do want to finish this, so this is going in there. This is a putty blush, so it did hit pan several times, but I just squeeze it back because, listen, I need to use that. And then for my highlighter, I also selected again the Natasha Denona Super Glow. This is in Fair, and you can definitely tell I used it quite a bit. Let me tell you, quite a bit. So yeah, this is the highlighter for my daily use. And then I do have 3 products, no blush, but 3 products for my YouTube using. And first of all is my Peri Para V Shading like hazel gray contour bronzer. Listen, I can't like pick that up because it is indeed crumbled, and I will use this up. And then again, I do have another one, just saying. I also, for like bronzing up the skin, this is more of a contour. I could go with bronzing as well, but for bronzing in particular, I will use my Nabla Skin Bronzing in Umbra. We can definitely tell there is also a pen here, and yeah, this is the current state. I am quite confident I can, at least so far, like finish these products in 23, so just saying. And for highlight, I wanted to keep an option for me to use maybe a pink blush or anything for blushes for that, but I wanted to also include a highlight, and for that I will include the Maybelline Face Studio Chrome Extreme Intense Metallic Highlight in 200 Diamond Glow. This one I had to press down, or had to press back, and yeah, this is the product. It is quite new. I think I bought it in 2021, if I'm not mistaken. I didn't use it a lot, so that is almost a new product. I think I used it twice or so, and then it broke on me. Listen. And the last products are some I use a lot. First of all is my mascara. I use the Serum Perfect Curling Mascara at the moment, and I think I will use this up, and then I will bring in another mascara. I also, of course, am using my Duo Lash Glue again. This one will probably, this will probably at some point will be too messy to work with, so I will switch that out. But yeah, this is again the Duo Lash Glue. Then I do have, which is a new thing in this, is the Pixie by Petra, and this is the Fairy Lights. Liquid Fairy Lights in Crystalline. This is a stunning shade, but I don't know if you can tell, maybe from this direction, this is quite low, so I want to use it up. I do like it a lot. I do like to add a little bit of sparkle in the inner corner or on the lid, so this one will be included as well. And then the last 3 products or lip products. One is, I did switch out the lip liner. I didn't want to use the MAC one, so I switched to the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural, which again is this like this size. Listen, this is the 3rd lip liner. I think NYX ones are my favorite. If this is, and I'm pretty sure this will go like quite nicely, and I will finish that at some point in 23. If I do, I will put in one of the others I own, but I think I have still 1 or 2 from NYX, and I do love them, so they will be keeping around this. And then of course a gloss you all know is the Bobbi Brown Crushed Oil Infused Gloss, and this is in the shade New Romantic. Again, it's an offender, a repeat offender from last year, and it's still smelling okay. I'm pretty sure this one will be one of the products I'm probably tossing because it will go bad, but again, I do have like 50 million glosses back there, so yeah. But this one, and I do have at least 2 of the same brand, so yeah, this will be used. And then for a lipstick, I will use also one from Bobbi Brown. Again, I want to use my money's worth out of them. I bought them in 2019, and listen, then there was a mask involved into the whole panini, and yeah, I couldn't use them. So this one is the Crushed Lip Color in Shazan Nude. I'm not sure about that. This is the state of the lippy at the moment. I'm wearing it today again with the gloss and the lip liner. This is how it is looking. It's a stunning nude shade. I do have 2 other like products, and yeah, this is the beautiful and stunning color. Again, I want to use like, listen, let me go through one lipstick and then we pull in another one. These were all 23 products and I am super excited. I hope you are as well. And yeah, leave me down in the comments if you want to add in maybe also a product. I can do that, and then trying to pen it as well. I am super excited. This is the start of 23 and 23. I will again keep you posted once a month, normally at the end of the month, how I did, how many times I used the product itself, and I have a list, which is always a nice point. This time it's a little bit more professional than the last one. Let's listen. But yeah, I am super excited. I hope you are as well. And yeah, we see us in my next video. Bye guys.